Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting a fucking 60 volt battery, a 500 watt speed controller, and the stock throttle. The speed controller and the throttle came off of the MX 500 or SX 500, same thing. Today I'm going to be throwing all of this in my Barbie moped, my Razor moped. I've already added a MY 1018 ED motor in here. This comes stock in the Crazy Car XL, I believe. This motor right here. So now I'm gonna hook up the motor and then the throttle to test it. And then I'm gonna hook up the power. Alright, so on the speed controllers, we're gonna have this blue and yellow wire. This is gonna get plugged right into the motor. Okay, now we're gonna take our throttle right here, 6-pin connector, and then plug it right into the stock controller. And with these controllers, you got to use the stock throttle because it has a safety in here, a switch or some shit. Okay, next is going to be my battery. Later on I'll put a switch in between this, but for now I'm just going to plug this bitch in. So black to black, red to red. Okay, for the battery, black to black and red to red. Okay, got power, and we got some power right here. Oh shit. So we is the this throttle, put this throttle up there, mount the controller, and bungee cord the battery. So to get this throttle off of here, I need an Allen for back here, and then I need to take off like 2 or 3 of these, couple of these screws right here. Go ahead and take these off, and maybe one more down here. Peel this bitch back. What do I got going on down here? Some bullshit, of course. Okay, so now I gotta see how I wrapped up this damn throttle wire. Stupid zip tie right here. Then it should pull right out of there. In theory, of course. Okay, got on. Now we gotta take off the Allen bolt back here so we can take this throttle off, slide the other throttle on. Okay, now we gotta tighten this one down. Or I should wait until I get a damn handle grip. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. Okay, now, let's see if we can mount this controller. Okay, controller mounted, barely. Throttle. Okay, battery mounted. What if I put the battery underneath? I wonder if I have enough room under there. No, that'll hit on stuff. We are in the game, guys.